Septic systems in rental properties. When looking for a new tenant, we meticulously scrutinize credit scores, income levels, and past landlord references. Potential renters dive into home details like bedrooms, average utility costs, storage, and parking. But no one ever talks about where the waste goes. But you should. 15% of residences in the United States rely on wells or septic systems. So, what should you know about managing the septic for your rental property? Many states put the maintenance of the septic tank onto the property owner to keep the residence in livable condition. Let's go over some common questions landlords and property managers have when it comes to septic management. Who pays for the septic tank pumping? Done every 3 to 5 years, this falls on the landlord or property owner. What happens when septic problems arise? Like with any other property issues, tenants will contact their landlords. From there, the landlord can work with a septic technician to determine if the problems are from normal wear and tear or misuse. In the case of misuse, the landlord can require payment from the tenant. However, this only works if the landlord previously notified the tenants of the septic system. Remember, 75% of homes do not operate using a septic system. So, it's reasonable to assume tenants do not understand unique septic system requirements. Who is in charge of landscaping? Landscaping can damage the septic system. If tenants are in charge of lawn care, make sure they are aware of where the septic system resides. And set some rules for what can and cannot be done to alter the yard. A little maintenance and care go a long way. Make sure to set your tenants and yourself up for success by going over the basic septic rules. Septic tips for tenants. Tenants, do your homework. When moving into a house with a septic system, it's your responsibility to stay on top of the rules. Discuss any questions or concerns with your landlord. Set up expectations for what circumstances you'd potentially be liable for the cost of repairs. And write it into your lease. While paper isn't friends with your septic, it is your ally in laying out the rules and expectations. When it comes to managing or living in a rental property with a septic system, communication is your friend. Have questions? Contact Advanced Septic Services of Florida today at 352-242-6100.